Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add shake effect on Capcut. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. First of all, go to your Capcut application and click on the new project. Now select your particular video or photo to add the shake effect. Right now I'm going to use this photo where I want to add a shake effect. I'm deleting the end port. After that, click on the effects, go to the video effects, then you have to look for nightclub option. Here it is, and under the nightclub option you'll be able to see many shake effects. Like at the fourth option there is a shake effect, then just below it there is shake 2 effect, then delay effect. These are all like different shades of shake, so let me use one of it. Okay, now click the check mark. You have to adjust the timeline of the effect. That's how easily you can use the shake effect. And from the bottom part, click adjust. You can also adjust the speed like this, and you can also adjust the range. So this is how easily you can add shake effect on Capcut. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.